Science 3. Design a product out of recyclable materials. The learners should be able to design a product out of recyclable materials, including metals, that would be useful in everyday life. What does it mean to recycle? Recycling means taking things we no longer need, like trash or waste, and turning them into something useful again. It helps reduce pollution and saves natural resources. Today, we are going to explore a really interesting question. What everyday object can we make out of recyclable materials? Keep that question in mind as we learn more about recycling and what we can do with the things we throw away. Waste something that is not useful. Recyclable when something can be recycled. What everyday object can I make from recyclable materials? Bring the following: art paper, aluminum or tin cans, dilata, scissors, with strong adult supervision, glue sticks, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. What does it mean to recycle? To recycle is to make waste materials into useful ones. What everyday object can we make from this recyclable materials? A pen holder. Watch the video. Answer the following questions. A. What object have I created? B. What is the use of the object I have created? C. What recyclable materials did I use? D. Why did I choose these materials for my object? Recycling helps reduce waste by turning old materials, like paper, plastic, and metal, into useful new objects. This helps keep our environment clean and saves valuable resources.